Unlock the vault, the future of ultra-exclusive travel. Tired of the same old five-star cliches? Prepare to ascend to a realm where luxury knows no bounds, where experiences are crafted, not just offered. We're diving deep into the world of ultra-exclusive travel, where price is no object and access is everything. Luxury travel has evolved far beyond thread counts and Michelin stars. It's about crafting a narrative, a personal legend etched in the most extraordinary corners of the globe. We're talking about bespoke adventures, curated with meticulous detail to reflect your unique passions and desires. Forget the crowded resorts. True luxury now resides in the untouched, the undiscovered, the utterly private. It's about forging a connection with a destination on a level that few others can even fathom. Consider Richard Branson's Necker Island, a sanctuary of unparalleled privacy, commanding $134,000 per night. Or perhaps the timeless allure of St. Bart's, where super yachts bob in turquoise waters and discretion is the ultimate currency. Venture further into the mystical kingdom of Bhutan, where secluded retreats offer spiritual awakenings amidst breathtaking landscapes. Even the icy expanse of Antarctica has been reimagined for the discerning traveler, offering polar adventures in unparalleled comfort. These aren't just destinations, they're statements. Imagine yourself savoring a gourmet meal on an Icelandic glacier, prepared by a private chef as the northern lights dance above. Or picture yourself drifting over the Serengeti in a hot air balloon, greeted with chilled champagne as the sun paints the savanna gold. These are the moments that define ultra-luxury travel: immersive, transformative, and utterly unforgettable. It's about pushing boundaries, both geographical and personal, and returning with stories that will captivate for a lifetime. In this rarefied world, technology isn't just a convenience, it's a key to unlocking unparalleled personalization. AI concierges anticipate your every need, curating itineraries that seamlessly blend adventure, relaxation, and cultural immersion. Privacy is paramount. Expect encrypted communication, discreet service, and a digital shield that protects your every move. In the realm of ultra-luxury, convenience and security are as valuable as the experiences themselves. While billionaires remain a cornerstone of this market, a new generation of high-net-worth individuals is emerging. Millennials and influencers, driven by a desire for authentic experiences and social currency, are fueling the demand for bespoke adventures. They seek stories to tell, moments to capture, and a connection to the world that transcends the ordinary. This shift is reshaping the landscape of luxury travel, pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. From private underwater suites to the promise of voyages into outer space, the possibilities in ultra-exclusive travel are limited only by your imagination. This is a world custom-made for those who demand the best, who seek the extraordinary, and who understand that true luxury is an investment in unforgettable memories. Ready to elevate your travel aspirations? Subscribe now for exclusive insights into the world's most coveted destinations and experiences. Contact our team of luxury travel architects to begin crafting your personalized journey into the extraordinary. Let us transform your dreams into reality.